Yo, you don't have to get out your comfort zone to make money with network marketing, but you do have to do this. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to network marketing, all of the gurus, all of the sponsors, they all will tell you if you want to make money and be successful, you have to get out of your comfort zone. And to a degree, I agree with that. But ultimately, I feel you do not have to get out your comfort zone to start making money in network marketing. But there is one thing that you need to do if you want to be successful as a network marketer, and that is be relentless. All right. Being relentless to me is way more important, way more effective than getting out of your comfort zone. Right. Because to be honest with you, with my experience, it's like, yeah, I've done things out of my comfort zone, but I've gotten more results doing the things that I am comfortable doing. I just do them on a consistent, relentless basis. You know what I mean? It's like I figured out what I can do, what I enjoy doing, and I just push it, right? That's how I've made all the money that I have made as an entrepreneur. It's been doing things that I enjoy doing. That's not to say that you can't get results by stepping, out of your comfort zone. I do believe that's possible, but especially if you just getting started, you have to figure out what's your thing, right? Figure out what you're good at, figure out what you can do on a consistent basis, and then go hard with it. Because a lot of times people will join a network marketing opportunity, right? And either they'll watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos on like how to be successful with it, right? Or they'll ask their sponsor, like, yo, what do I do? You know what I mean? Like, how do I start making money? And a lot of cases, like the YouTube videos or the sponsor, they're going to say something that, you don't feel comfortable doing. So your average person, unfortunately, they're not going to do the things that they're uncomfortable doing. That's just almost damn near human nature. It's just a fact. So I always tell people when they ask me how to promote an opportunity, the first thing I say is, all right, well, what do you feel comfortable doing? All right, do you feel comfortable doing online marketing? Are you more comfortable doing offline marketing? Like, that's like the first question. All right, and in most cases, they're gonna have an answer, right? Most people be like, oh, you know what? I don't really like the internet, right? I don't like to do that Facebooking and YouTube. I don't like that. All right, well, we're not gonna start there, all right? Where other people, sponsors or YouTubers, they'll tell you like, nah, damn all that. You got to get over that shit, right? You need to hop on Facebook now. You need to create a YouTube channel now. Now, don't get me wrong. I always tell people, hey, if you can do YouTube, get on YouTube. But hey, if you don't feel comfortable yet, don't do it. So like I said, somebody might be like, yo, I don't really rock with the whole online thing. That's not my thing. All right. But I'd be like, all right, that's cool. So you feel more comfortable doing like offline stuff, right? Yeah. I can do stuff like that. All right, cool. All right. So, do you feel comfortable going like to different gatherings, like vendor events? Do you feel comfortable passing out flyers? Do you feel comfortable talking to local business owners? What's your thing? Oh, well, honestly, I don't really like dealing with local business owners, but yeah, I don't mind doing vendor events and stuff. That's cool. I enjoy that. All right, cool. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You like doing that? Cool. All right. So what I need you to do is you need to find where all the local vendor events at, and even non-local vendor events. Find where they're at, all right? See where they at, and make it a point to try to go to one, at least once a month or once a week, right? On the weekends, that need to be your thing, vendor events, right? That need to be your thing. So the person, most likely, they're gonna say, hell yeah, okay, I can do it. That's what's up, right? Now, if I check back in with that person 2 months from now, right, and I ask them, hey, I'm seeing you're struggling a little bit, is there any way I can help you, build your team, get you going, it's just been tough, right? That's what they say. It's just been tough, I'm not getting any leads. All right, well, I remember when we talked, you said you was going to do some vendor events, right? To really get the opportunity out there. You know, how many have you been to? And they'll say something like, well, I did one. One? No excuse. Because remember, this is what you enjoy doing. You said you like doing vendor events. There's no reason why you should only did one vendor event, right? Like this is where people fail. It's not about stepping out of your comfort zone. That's why you fail. No, it's because you're not being relentless. You're not consistent in your efforts. That's where it all starts. And that goes for the same thing with people that do online stuff. People talk, oh, all I do is online. Like I got a Facebook account, you know what I'm saying? I got a TikTok account, you know what I'm saying? I do YouTube. I'm like, all right, cool. All right. We'll come up with a little strategy. All right. So, you know, what you need to do is, can you post at least 2 videos a week on YouTube, whether it be a long form or a short video? Yeah. That I can do that shit. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Yeah. I'm trying to be successful. Right? 2 months go by. You know what I'm saying? You reach out. How's it going? You know, anything I can help you with? You know what I'm saying? How's the marketing going? You know, blah, blah, blah. What they gonna say? Man, shit, this business tough. You know what I'm saying? I've been posting. I ain't really been getting no leads. I ain't got no sign-ups, man. I don't know, man. This shit ain't working. Well, you know, how many YouTube videos, you know, you put up in the last 2 months? Oh, shit. I'm in grinding. I got like 3. You know what I'm saying? I got like 3 videos. No. Get out the game. Get out the game if you're on that shit. You have to be relentless. Consistent and relentless if you want to be successful with this network marketing. Look, you got to realize that for every person that's out there only posting 1 video a month, somebody else is posting 5 videos a week, right? And that person is most likely generating leads and earning some money from their opportunity. So if you are thinking about getting involved with network marketing, or you've been struggling with it, you have to turn up your efforts. You know what I'm saying? You have to be relentless with this, because network marketing, despite how easy it is to get into and start, like it's a grind, right? And it is a long play, right? You have to look at where you're going to be a year from now, 2 years from now, what you want your income to be. Do not jump in and do like a half-ass effort and then realize in a month, like, damn, I ain't make no money. Right? First of all, you can't even really expect to make a ton of cash, honestly. You know what I'm saying? Within the first 3, 4, 5 months in network marketing, whatever company you with, do not expect to be earning, you know, $5,000 in the first 5, 6 months. It could happen. Straight up, it could happen. But don't go into the opportunity thinking like that. Think as this as a business opportunity, because that's what it is. But you need to find the 1 or 2 things that you do feel comfortable doing and do the shit out of them. Now, if you want to check out one of the opportunities that I make money with every month and promote the hell out of, watch this video right here, right now.